Hello everyone, welcome to Real Class. My name still remains M.A. Ido, and this time we are looking at a very powerful topic, a very crucial topic in English, and it's question tag. When you say question tag, what does it mean? It is a statement that has already been made but now turned into a question. All right, I take that again. A statement already made but now turned into a question. It is very vital in the use of English that we know the rules governing question tag. And the first rule here says that comma must separate the statement from the tag. Again, comma must separate the statement from the tag. Now, this is the example we have here on the board. You are shy. That is the statement. It has already been made. And there is a comma there. And the tag that follows says, aren't you? All right? Aren't you there is the tag that is separated from the statement itself with the use of comma right there. Okay? Again, the first rule says that in every question tag, you have a comma separating the statement itself from the tag. You are not stupid, comma. Are you? Question. All right? So that's that. In every question tag, comma must separate the statement from the tag. And that's the first rule. And rule 2 here says, positive statements attract a negative tag. I take that again. Positive statements attract a negative tag. What do you mean by a positive statement? A statement is said to be positive when it doesn't carry no, not, or never, all right, in the statement. Statement is said to be positive when it doesn't carry no, not, or what, never. Okay? Now, when such a statement is made, it must go with a negative tag. And a tag is negative when it carries not, all right? So we check the example that we have here of a positive tag. E.g., you are good. Is there not there, no or never in that statement? No. That makes it positive. You are good. All right? And the rule says, since the statement here is already positive, the tag that follows must be negative. And for a tag to be negative, it must carry not. Check it out there. All right? You are good. Aren't you? So the aren't you there is a negative tag. Why? Because it carries not. That is contracted. All right? You know, when you have apostrophe, right? So when you have this is of course the tag, all right? The NT here that is contracted for not has shown that the statement itself is what, or the tag itself is what? Negative, all right? So we now look at the next rule. Now, if you even check the board here, the first example that we have here is still a positive statement, all right? And the tag that follows is a negative one. You are shy, positive, no, not there. Aren't you? Negative tag, all right? Now, that's for that. Now, we now look at, a negative tag itself. When you say negative tag, I've already told you, it is a tag that carries not. As you find on the board, a tag that carries what? Not. E.g., he's intelligent. All right? Isn't he? This statement here is positive. All right? Why? Because it doesn't carry what? Not. While the tag that follows is said to be negative because there is not. He is intelligent, isn't he? You cannot say he's intelligent, is he? Because it's going to be positive, positive. And question tag does not allow such. All right? It's a violation to the rules of question tag. All right? He's intelligent, isn't he? It's good. All right? You are not going. All right? You are not going. Are you? We are going to that now. That's another rule entirely. All right? And specifically, it's going to fall under rule frame. Negative statement attracts positive tag. We have been talking about positive statements to mean a statement that doesn't carry not. All right? No or never. All right? Then what about a negative statement? A negative statement is that statement that usually carries no, not, or never. All right? Now, the rule says whenever a statement is negative, then the tag that follows is positive. If a tag is positive, How do you get to know? There is no not in the tag. As you have the example here, all right? He is not smart. Because there is not in the statement here, it makes it a negative statement, all right? Then the tag that follows must be positive, and it is positive if it doesn't carry what? Not, all right? He is not smart. You have comma there, as we find in the first rule, all right? He is not smart. Is he? So you cannot say he's not smart, isn't he? No. So you can't have negative, negative. It must be negative and positive, or positive and negative, all right? So he's not smart. Is he? Why do you think this tag here is positive? It's positive because it doesn't carry not. Okay? Then a positive tag does not carry not. It's on the board. You see it. It's very clear. E.g., he is not dull. This again is a negative statement, all right? That carries a positive tag. He is not dull. Is he? He is not dull. Is he? All right. So that's that. So that in our next, class, we continue with question tag.